Hey everyone, it's Robert here with Healthnews, exploring RingConn wearable tech that promises to redefine how we monitor our health. Today, I'm unboxing the RingConn Smart Wearable Ring that's more than just a piece of technology. It may become your wellness companion. Intrigued? Then let's begin the RingConn review. If you're as excited about tech innovations as we are, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for a special deal on the RingConn. RingConn is a modern health tracking device with an easy-to-use mobile application. It tracks over 40 health metrics, from how well you sleep, to how much you move, and even how stressed you might be feeling, all from this tiny, stylish ring on your finger. But here's why I'm particularly pumped to dive into this review. RingConn promises to give us personalized wellness advice. No subscription needed, all through an intuitive app. Plus, it's made from durable, hypoallergenic titanium, and it's water resistant so you never have to take it off. It's a cutting-edge sensor technology wrapped up in a design that's both comfortable to wear and easy on the eyes. I'm here to find out if it lives up to the hype. All right, we already have the ring. Let's see inside the box. First up, we have this compact charging case. It's not just about charging. It's about extending the life of your RingConn to up to 150 days without any cables. That's right, folks, 150 days. This is convenience redefined. Fast charging is the name of the game here, ensuring your RingConn is always ready for action. There's a quick guide. It offers a concise overview to get you started without any guesswork. An instruction manual for a deep dive into all things RingConn. The instruction manual is thorough and insightful, ensuring you make the most out of your smart ring. Here you'll find all the gadget technical specifications, LED color reference, summary of functions, troubleshooting FAQ, use care, and maintenance guide. Also the warranty and certificates. And of course, the star of the show, the RingConn ring itself, available in moonlit silver, midnight black, and pale gold colors, and 9 different sizes. Crafted from durable, hypoallergenic titanium, it's ultralight, weighing only between 3 to 5 grams, depending on your chosen size. It includes 4 types of sensors on its inner ring, tracking heart rate, skin temperature, blood oxygen saturation, and 3D accelerator meter tracking your movement. What sets RingConn apart visually is its understated elegance. To me, it doesn't scream tech gadget, but rather complements your style while packing a serious technological punch. Holding the RingConn, I immediately notice that it's lightweight and precise in its craftsmanship. The titanium build not only ensures durability, but it also gives a sleek, modern look that sets it apart from all other wearables on the market. It's designed for 24/7 wearing with an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning you can keep it on whether you're showering, swimming, or sweating it out at the gym. The main RingConn features include a long battery life from 5 to 7 days, depending on your usage. Comprehensive health tracking with over 40 health metrics. And finally, personalized wellness advice. So let's move on to setting the RingConn up. First off, activate your Bluetooth and simply place the RingConn on the charging case. Download the RingConn app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. The app is your gateway to all the RingConn features. Once paired, the app prompts you to insert some initial details, such as your height and weight for a personalized experience. The RingConn application has 3 tabs: Insights, Trends, and Me. Via Me, you can review app settings, read your comprehensive user guide, and synchronize with other third-party apps such as Apple Health or Google Fit. In Insights, you may track every RingConn metric delivered by its sensors to the app. For instance, heart rate and heart rate variability, or HRV, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, sleep analysis, including stages and quality, stress levels, providing insights and advice for management of stress. And then also activity tracking, capturing steps, calories burned, and more. Finally, the Trends tab showcases your generated health metric scores divided into 4 main topics: sleep, stress, activity, and others. Based on the collected scores, the RingConn app offers customized wellness advice, whether it's suggesting better sleep habits, more efficient ways to manage your stress, or optimizing your fitness routine. RingConn acts as a personal wellness coach. Remember, RingConn wellness advice cannot replace a visit to a doctor, and if an individual experiences health challenges, they must consult a health professional. So, after using the RingConn Smart Ring, I've got to say, it's been a breeze. Compared to a health watch, the RingConn is more comfortable and lighter in weight. I often forget I'm even wearing it. This comfort factor is huge, especially when tracking sleep. I've worn it to bed every night and it hasn't disrupted my sleep at all. I've also found the sleep tracking to be really accurate, unlike using just a smartphone, which can be hit or miss. RingConn gives me detailed insights into my sleep patterns, allowing me to understand and improve my sleep routine genuinely. Moreover, the app being absolutely free with no hidden subscription fees is an obvious win. It's refreshing to see a health tech product that doesn't nickel and dime you for features. Furthermore, RingConn is waterproof. I could wear it in the shower or while washing my hands without a second thought. For me, it's these little conveniences that make a big difference in daily wearability. And lastly, I found it endearing that RingConn sent me a sizing kit beforehand. It ensured I got the perfect fit right from the start. As for cons, there's really not that many. Although the battery life is impressive, heavy usage does shorten it so much. It's something to keep in mind for power users. And for those highly social people like me who like to share their achievements or compete with friends, the app currently lacks social features. I know, I'm nitpicking. While there are a few areas for improvement, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, making the RingConn a smart choice for anyone serious about tracking their health and wellness. You can find the link to our special deal for purchase in the link below. That's a wrap on our RingConn journey. If you enjoyed this review and crave more health tech insights, don't forget to subscribe to Healthnews and check out our other videos.